Okay, look at this one is drawn from the mathematics book 2 indices, and the question says simplify cube root of 27x power 3 y power 3 over x power 6 y power 3. Now this one has got two ways of doing it. You can first of all divide this and this, then you get the cube root, or you go directly and get the cube root of all this and this, then you divide. So I'm going to do the two ways. The first one is whereby directly I get the cube root of this and this. So this one will be cube root of 27 is 3. Then the cube root of this one is x, and the cube root of this one is y, over the cube root of this one is x power 2 or x squared, and the cube root of this one is y. Finally, I cancel y and y because rows of integers imply that where you are dividing powers, you subtract them. So this is like y power 1 and this y power 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So that's why they cancel all of them. So here I get this x, we will get 1x out here. So I'll be left with 1x alone here. So the answer will be x over, 3 over x. And this one is, you can also be written as 3x power minus 1, because whenever you have a denominator on this side, you can multiply the same up here, but you remember to put a negative, because this one is the same as writing 3 times 1 over x. So whereby I can write it as 3 times x. Now when I remove the this over sign or this division sign, I put a negative there. So finally it will be 3x minus 1, like that. The other way is whereby now I divide this and this. So this one will be equal to the cube root of 27 times x times x times x times y times y times y, 3y, 3x, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, divided by x times x times x times x times x times x, 6 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then y, 3 of them, times y times y is. Then I cancel y and y, y and y, y and y. Then x and x, x and x, x and x. So I'm left with 27 over, how many are these? 3. That is x times x times x. So finally the cube root of 27 is 3, and the cube root of all these, because this x cubed, cube root of x cubed is x. So you see, I'm going back to where I was on this other side. So finally the answer is 3x power 1, and that's how you go about it.